Working in retail industry and wondering what if your entire mall, every shop, corridor, utility room, and maintenance task could live in one intelligent, interactive map? Let's digitize a mall layout and manage all tasks using MAPOG. First, log into story.mapog.com and come to MAPOG dashboard. Before creating the map, we start where control happens, Task Management Dashboard. It ensures accountability and real-time visibility. Now click on Create New Task. Select Create New Custom Location. Now go to Select Custom Location Settings and create new custom location template. Here, set title, choose color, select geometry type as point. Now add structured attributes, text as shop name, select such as category, retail, food, utility, multi-select like services available, and lastly enable contributor option and save. This ensures data consistency, standard structure and reusability for future projects. Now for quality control, go to Completion Form Setup. Find your custom location template. Create survey questions in each section using options like text, select, multi-select. This form will later be filled by on-ground teams. It ensures structured reporting, no random WhatsApp updates. Now come to MAPOG dashboard again and click Create New Map. Select Story Template as Store Mapper. Add title, description and enable task management option. And save. Now inside the map interface, use Replace option to replace MAPOG logo with the mall logo because professional branding matters. Now go to Process Custom Location and click Georeferencing. Upload your mall layout base map, PNG or JPG. Use Search by address or coordinates to find the exact placement location. Rename the layout. Select Drawing Mode, 4 points, square or rectangle. Click Start Drawing and draw around the layout. Adjust the scale, opacity, rotate. When aligned properly, click Save. Now your static drawing becomes spatially intelligent. Now click Add Custom Location to plot utilities on map. Select your created custom location template. Confirm location on the map. Add title, description, images along with all attribute details. Save the point. Repeat for all other locations. Use Custom Location View to adjust, zoom, rotate and pitch view. Go to Add Layer Style. Select Category Style. Choose Category Attribute and assign different colors. Now retail, food courts, and utilities become visually distinguishable. Click on any location and click Add Task. Fill, task title, description, due date, deal value, task status, priority. Attach or create new task types using Manage option. Bonus tip, you can add different completion form related to each task in Task Management Dashboard. You can also add new team members via email. Assign role as admin or others. Select assignee. Now save the task. One location can have multiple tasks. This solves fragmented tracking. Now comes real-time coordination. Team members open the MAPOG contributor app. Inside task section, view assigned tasks and filter them using assignee or urgency. Update status. Fill completion form. Add comments, upload before and after images and submit. Admins can instantly view updates inside the task management section. They can filter by status, assignee, or task type. With this workflow, planning gets structured spatial data. Construction gets deadline tracking. Management gets visibility and control. All inside one georeferenced mall layout. If you need any help with adding or uploading data, performing map analysis or map or GIS consultancy, feel free to contact us at support@mapog.com anytime.